Hello and what's up guys, good evening, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again for those who don't know me, and if you're new here, welcome sana to this amazing YouTube channel, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be among the first people to get notified. If you're coming back, karibu sana, you know how we do it, you know the tinkle. So guys, I'm back again with a very interesting video. Yeah, I hope you watched the last one. It was amazing of me receiving this new gadget. And yeah, today I'm having kind of different vlog because I'm doing this in my most amazing, should I say the most spacious room in this house. Yeah, I'm doing this in my kitchen. Guess what it is? Comment down below and start guessing. So yeah, welcome sana, and today's vlog is gonna be about unboxing. I'm unboxing something that you can't imagine I've lived for a while without. So I'm unboxing my microwave, oven, and dispenser. So meanwhile, let me show you what we have been surviving with. Yeah, so guys, you see this is a water dispenser, ile a fridge. So this is what we have been surviving with. So unaeka hapo, and it can only accommodate a jug or two. So that is where we used to get our cold water. And yes, as you can see, this space over here in my kitchen, as I told you earlier, it was made for my oven and my microwave, which I don't have. I've been surviving without. Why? Because my cooker here has oven. So that is the reason I have never purchased another one, because I don't need. But for the microwave, I really needed one, and I don't have the reason. So I can't say it is because of this or that as to why I didn't have one. Ni hivi tu I don't know. I don't know why I didn't have it. But yeah, today is the day. Damn, look at that. We are here. And I can't wait to unbox with you guys. I'm super excited. You know, as a woman of the house, these are the things that excite us more. Because unajua kitchen ya wanawake. The kitchen is not for my husband, it is mine. And everything that happens in there ni yangu. So I'm super excited to receive this package from hata sijui shop, but I'll write it down here. Muone. Yeah, yani I'm so happy to receive this. You can't imagine a big house like this. Hatukuwa na hizi. But yeah, I know they are just nitazita aje. They are not basic things. They are the comfort too, you know. So yeah, let me unbox with you guys. Stay tuned. Let's do this together. So guys, let's do this. I'm going to start with the dispenser. this away. Hapa hivi. Hapo hivyo kuna ka round. Kapawa. Hapo unaona hapo kuna ka blue. Hiyo side papo kwa na hivi. Huko. Hivi ndio inanisumbua. Hivi niweke wapi kwanza? Hebu shika niweke huko. Hey, is my dining this small, guys? So guys, hiyo ni peta ndio hapo. Oh yeah. Yeah, so guys, here is the spot where it will be staying. It will be staying over here. Let me show you. Let me show you. Yeah, it will be staying there. Yeah, guys. Here is where it will be staying. So let me open it, and then oh my god, look at this, guys. It looks so cute. Oh. I think that's glass. Then there is this part which is supposed to let me not pretend to be a pro, let me follow the manual. It's a remote dispenser, guys. Let me follow the manual. Yeah guys, I hope now mnaona vizuri. So we have unpacked this glass. Then unaweza mtolea tu kama umemaliza. Okay guys, this is even more complicated.
The girl is going up, up, up. Now she's going down.
Oh, guys, it's not even hard. Hii unaingia hapo. That way. Hii inaingia huku. It's not hard, guys, to connect it. But of course, my husband angekuwa. So guys, let me see what's inside this. Oh, it's another jar. Oh, in fact, it's an electric kettle. Wow. I'm having this, guys. This is the most modern types of dispensers we have in the country. Wow. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? And of course this. So the only remaining thing is me putting my water over here, which I will do that.
Can you pretend to be a banana with me? Go like this and pretend you're a banana. Wow. Okay, are you ready?
And then
Bananas unite. Peel, bananas, peel, peel, bananas, peel, bananas, peel, peel, bananas, chop, bananas, chop, chop, bananas, chop, bananas, chop,
see, the only thing I'm not understanding is how this is maintained. Yani
bananas, knock, knock,
oh,
bananas,
it has some nuts.
bananas, eat, eat,
Woo.
bananas,
You better learn to do things when your husband is not around. This is beauty with brains. Beauty with the brains. Oh, the only yeah, guys, as I was saying, there are some nuts over here. Nasibini nitazungusha na kanini. Let me look for sharps. Kakitu sharp. Oh, like this knife. So this is what I'm going to use to maintain this standing. I want to go and zima that cartoon. Nothing now. Then I turn this. Iko. And then naizungusha with kisu because I don't know where the knees are.
let's say Mary had a
The next one. Also zungusha it. I lock it in kabisa. Baba, where are you? Oh, lakini ulikuwa hapa. Guys, nimepunguza sauti ya hiyo kitu. I think my husband will come to help me tomorrow. Sieki vizuri vile inafaa. He'll finish up with the process kesho. we are done guys. And then hii ndio connect kwa power. So here I have connected. Then I turn it. And then here comes with my bottle of water. And mzito. Mzito. So first I'm going to insert this. Kavin insert. No. Oh. It's supposed to be like that. Then this high temperature, be careful it burns. That is what it is written. And then here is my remote. Double click. Keep warm, double click to get cold water. Natokea hapa. Long press for 3 seconds to start cooling. No more water. We are supposed to drill here for the power cable, power hook. Kwenye nimeweka hii blender yangu. So meanwhile naiweka tu hapa without so let's open. I never knew it is that heavy. It is very heavy. guys, look at this. Neat aje. Then of course it's manual. Oh, it's supposed to be this way. No. Not supposed to. Yeah, it's supposed to be that. Hi. Hizi ni kama nitasoma kesho. Right now I'm so tired. But this is where someone is supposed to be operating from. Then I'll be operating it from for warming my food and blah blah blah. Cook, clock setting, kitchen timer, defrost. Wait, defrost. I'm so happy for this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So kama sijaonyesha how it operates and blah blah blah. But in the next video, maybe I'll do that. We operate that dispenser because it's a digital one. Also we operate this and also we operate this. I show you how to cook, how to bake a cake using oven. Sean, I have received this other package. It's a shred slice peeling. Oh, but I have this in my kitchen. It's my husband ordered for me, but I think I have it. I have this thing. Okay, let's unbox and see. Oh no, I don't have this. It looks like a multi-purpose. Nini si kama ile yenye nimezoea ya nini? Yeah, carrots and cabbage. It also have another compartment over here. Tutaona kesho, guys. Tomorrow I'll definitely use it in the kitchen. I don't know why today I'm so lazy to do things. Oops, daddy. Yeah, guys, without so much ado, allow me to wrap up this particular video at this time. Ndio nifanye 1 2 3 kupea mtoto chakula and blah blah blah. So make sure you subscribe. Bye.